Minta kesengi kekat kendai terik Jemang Menteri Rangba Kejela Conrad Sangma ringkat usembut Menteri Rangba ubak Preston Tensong kila let jurib ya ke Ïewduh. Hakani kejing let jurib ladan lang ubak polling do Menteri Ketenat Kam jungok kai perthai bat ki hek syakri Sorkar na Ketenat Terekam beper jong ka Sorkar jela. Kejing let jurib jong Menteri Rangba kalong ban yui ya kejing long jingman jong ke Ïewduh bat ban Pynbha ru ya ka. Hakani kejing let jurib Menteri Rangba Ïewduh ba ke Sorkar kalamang hendriu klur tingkah hakawat ke beningkong ya ke balas dang trei menta ban Pynbha ya kilinti ya hapok yo bat khatsan klur duna na ke benta kawat ke baar ban shna ya kinala bat ban bu bha ya ki pipe Hakani kejing let jurib kala don ru kejing ya kren bat jing ai jing mut na ki Nongshong yo hakaba kila kerpat ya ke Sorkar bakan shnano ya kinala ban penhe ya kilinti ban bu bharu iki pipe ki bawit hapadeng lenti. Menteri Rangba ulai kren ru bat ki Nongshong yo ha yo delang hakaba kila kerpat ru ya uba penyo no ya ki ya ka boarding elektrik namar ke jingbom patdon ke boarding hakate ke jaka ya ka ba Menteri Rangba ulakular ban le no klo ya kata. Menteri Rangba ulai thu ru ba ya ka tunum jong kalenti ya en le pat hakawat ka balai.
Cái có một phi đột cảm xúc năng này ban ajing mut của Sorkar ban ajing mut ya ICM cái có bangin năng lạ chú ban Pynbha
Even like toilets and all.
Yes.
nam patay
Need it, no? Like toilet and all also.
nang tak kan ka jakali chabar kene katay
Ayun, katabi ang
kan ka jakali chabar na kecil jadi kabiang pada kabiang
Good afternoon to everyone. Today, along with Deputy Chief Minister, Preston Tensong, and our Tourism Minister, Paul Ïewduh, and the Himam and all the other officials of different departments, we had visited Ïewduh market area, and the purpose of our visit was basically to look at the overall condition and what needs to be done and what improvement has to be brought in. As you're aware, we have already sanctioned and work for 6 crores is already going on, and different parts you will notice that the footpaths have been repaired and it has been made into stone footpath. We have to give it a natural look. So in that same line, we have now sanctioned close to 15 crores more, and for that also the tendering and the work, all the progress will happen. In the next maybe a couple of months we should see the work for that also to start. And the main purpose is again to the pipes that are going along the footpaths, we will put them under a duct, and then we will redo the entire footpath and will make it better. And also overall we will try to beautify the place. Of course, this will not be enough, but our objective today was to see what more can be done, and we realized that there's a lot of problem with water flow, with the nalas. So all of this is included in the second phase, which is the close to 15 crore project. But we realized that there is much more to be done, and therefore we are now going to prepare a master plan and see how we can bring overall improvement in Ïewduh. We are very, very concerned about this because more than or close to about 1 lakh people, their livelihoods depend on Ïewduh market area directly and indirectly, and therefore it is very important for us to ensure that we are able to maintain this and bring it up. And that's why we've come in a very big delegation. All the officials from urban, municipal, PHE, MECL, and all the other related departments are all here, and slowly and steadily we will ensure that we improve this place. As I said, we cannot do it in overnight. Obviously it's a large work, but the process has started, and I'm very happy. We got to meet the vendors, the farmers out here, the different shopkeepers. We interacted with them. We got very good suggestions from them, and thank God it rained also, so we really could see live what problems people actually face, and it made us realize that we really need to do a lot more in this area. So we're very happy, and it's a very good visit, and we want to assure the people of Ïewduh, especially the shopkeepers and the Hima and all the other traditional heads, that we will do and work hand in hand with them to ensure that we are able to improve the overall Ïewduh market. One of the farmers market area, they have requested that they have been functioning without light for all this time, and they just wanted some lights, electricity connection to be done. So for that we don't need special sanction or anything, so we can do those immediately. In one or two areas they suggested that the space is too small, so they wanted an extra floor to be made. So those suggestions have been noted down. In some areas they've suggested that the way the work is being done, they would like to see that it could be improved better. So they were requesting that if the drainage can be made on the side, because water is a big issue, so on and so forth. So there were very good interaction. Many suggestions came, as I said, but overall, as I said, we have noted down everything, and we realized that we need to make a master plan now to take things forward.
So the rooftop that you mentioned, will it be taken up in this phase?
No, the rooftop means it's not rooftop, the cover, the roof cover along the footpaths, which is open, where we could see that most of the people were selling the vegetables, covering themselves. It was very inconvenient. So we realized that also has to be taken up, but that may not be in this phase, because we've already sanctioned 15 crores, as I said, which is mainly for the infrastructure like the nala and the footpath and ducking of the pipes. So, but third phase we will take it up.
The council are taking up a lot of beautification project here. So don't you think there will be overlapping?
No, those are beautification projects that are at a very small scale. These are major infrastructural changes. These are major, like for example, the footpath and the drainage, the ducking of the pipes. These are major projects, and these need to be done at a very large scale. So there will not be any overlaps.
Sir, the